Hello, I am just now sitting at Dental Root Sushant Lok 1, Gurgaon. And in a way, it is also my practice to prove that the job for which I have come here has been done really successfully. I came here on 22nd August with a lot of apprehensions whether at this age my teeth really need a lot of work on that, whether I should go for a denture or I should just try to move on because I'm already 76 plus. But I'm so happy that I landed at Dental Roots. Dr. Dheeraj Setia, who is the guiding spirit for this particular clinic, I really have no words to thank him and appreciate, because I think you get a feeling about an organization or a clinic or a hospital by the way you are respected as a client, as a patient, as soon as you enter. So I must say, starting from the reception area to the travel to Dr. Dheeraj Setia, his way of looking at things, getting the things organized quickly and giving me a rightful advice. And of course, I took the advice very seriously and decided to go for denture. And that took me to the next steps of meeting Dr. Sharda, who has, because the effort was to save some teeth if they could, and they did it. Dr. Sharda did the root canal for me. That helped me to have my lower safe and sound. And then comes Dr. Priyanka. And I must say today my smile, I owe it to Dr. Priyanka's continuous hard work to adjust. And as you can see, yesterday I got my denture and today I am speaking to you for so long without any discomfort. What better testimony can a lady at the age of 76 can give with a great smile to a dental clinic. So thanks to each and every person, and especially I should also mention Mr. Tara, who was assisting all the time Dr. Priyanka to make all those adjustments, which is a very natural process. And for the first time I understand the science, the practice and the commitment of the doctors and their staff to this work. So I'm really thankful that today I am sitting here with a smile and recording this so that other persons can also develop their confidence. But I think one caution is very important. We have to trust our doctors and also learn to bear the pain, whatsoever may come, whenever we go to any surgery, any treatment, but our trust in the doctors and trust in your service.